Okay guys, my next delivery is to this apartment complex downtown. It's a box of Cottonelle. I do have an access code, I hope it works. Okay guys, I'm off to deliver my next package, this box of Cottonelle. This is an apartment complex, so hopefully it works. Hi, if you can leave it open, great. I'm just delivering at Amazon. Thank you. Okay, so hopefully this works. Yeah, and someone let me in. So I'm just gonna go up the elevator and deliver it. Okay. Okay guys, we're gonna go to floor number 7. I had to get, oh, sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna go on the 7th floor to apartment number 7. Well, he's on the 7th floor, so I have this box and an elevator. It's kind of heavy, not too bad though. Okay guys, I will tell you when I'm on to my next delivery. I gotta leave it at the door here. Bye. Hey guys, so I already dropped off the order at these apartments here. And now I'm looking for Alyssa's package, which should be in here somewhere. I still have some like in the back seat and some over here. I need to get my organizing a little bit better. But right now I just want to find Alyssa's package because she's up next. So all of these addresses are like half a mile away and I found it, but the only bad thing is it's like they're hard to get into sometimes because they're downtown. So yeah, I just got her package, so I'll show you guys when I get there. Okay guys, so I'm still delivering. I probably missed a couple of that I didn't record, but yeah, I think I have about maybe 13 to 14 packages left. I'm definitely gonna go over my time of 6 o'clock because it's 5:58 now. But I think they just pay you like a little overtime if, you know, you go over your time. So yeah, so I'm about like half a mile away from the next delivery. So I will show you guys when I get there. Hey guys, I just delivered this package here. It's an apartment downtown. I called the customer because I needed directions on how to find it. Guys, I am spent right now. Oh my goodness, I'm so tired. But I'll get through it. I think I only have a few more to do. Maybe less than 10, I hope. So yeah, I will just show you guys the next delivery that I have. I keep forgetting to record, but my phone has been kind of low on battery too. So, okay guys. To deliver another package. I just delivered the dog food. There was like a dog food bag, so I just delivered that one. And now I'm off to another one. I think I have like 9, maybe 8 or 9 left. So yeah, I'll just show you guys when I get to the house if I can. Okay guys, it's 7:55. I still have some packages left, so I'm going over my time by at least 2 hours. It'll probably be like closer to 3 hours. One of the last package I dropped off took me out of the way by 12 miles, and the navigator was telling me it was on a completely different part of town, so I had to drive an extra 12 miles to deliver it. And that's like the first time that's happened with delivering with Amazon. So I think I have about 10 or 11 packages left. Today has been, but they're probably all within like a mile of each other, I'm guessing. But yeah, so I will just show you guys when I get to the next drop-off. Okay guys, I'm at the house. I am just looking for his package. His name is Robert. It's either here, and then I have a few in the trunk as well. So I probably will move all of the ones from the trunk up here. Okay, here it is. I found it. So I'm just gonna deliver it to this house right here and leave it at the door. Okay. Okay guys, I'm delivering this package right here to this house. There's a cute kitty up here. Hi guys! And it says to leave by the door. It says do not leave by the gate. So I'll make sure to leave it by the door. Okay. Okay guys, I'm off to deliver this box right here. And the customer wants me to leave it in the bed of her truck, like in the back of her truck. And in the notes it says so the dogs don't get it. So I don't know if that means that there's dogs running around or her dogs out there, but if I see any dangerous dogs, like big dogs, I am not gonna like go out there. If they're small and I see them, maybe, but you know, you have to be careful. So we'll see what happens. But if I see any large dogs out there loose, then I will not deliver. But if I can deliver it and put these in the bed of her truck, I will. But I'm not gonna like risk getting hurt to deliver it. So we'll see what happens. I'll show you guys when I get there. Okay guys, I just delivered the package. There are many dogs out here. We left it on top of the trash can. Of course, I'm not going to go in the gate, but this is one of the ones where I don't feel safe entering, so I left it on top of the trash can. My first time delivering with a bunch of dogs, but I just left it on top of the trash can, took a picture so the customers will know where to find it. Okay guys. Okay guys, so I am off to deliver this package here. I believe, yeah, this is the house that I'm delivering to right here. So I'm just gonna leave it by the door. This package right here. Okay guys, I'm on the way to my next delivery. I have 6 total. After this one, I'll have 5. So almost done, and it's 9:04 now. So I went over by 3 hours. It'll probably be like 3.5 by the time I'm done. But yeah, so I will let you guys know when I get to the house and when I drop it off. And it's so dark out here, so sometimes I have had to call the customer to see where they're at. Okay guys, I just delivered my package over here. So this is the house I'm delivering to. I think I have like maybe 4 to 5 more to deliver, and that'll be it. So, okay guys, we're off to the next one. Alright guys, so I just delivered the last order. The guy came out to meet me because he has like a lot of these houses here have gates like where you just can't walk up to the door because it's like kind of more dangerous area, I guess. So I have a few more to do. So I'm about half a mile away from the next one. So if I can, I will show you guys when I get there and drop it off. Okay. Okay guys, I'm delivering to this house right here. I'm probably just going to leave it at the gate. But yeah, I think I only have maybe 5 more after this. But yeah, so this is the one that's coming up next. I just have to scan the package and leave it outside of the gate like that. Okay guys, I'm delivering this package to her. I'm just going to leave it by the front door. So I have this one. And I just left it like that. Okay guys, I'm here trying to deliver this package. I cannot see any of the house numbers. So I'm looking for, okay, here it is. This is the house I'm delivering to. I just saw it, so that's great. So I'm gonna leave this on the porch. Hey guys, so it's 10:53. We're finally like on our way home. We're about 5 miles from home. I had 2 packages left that were like, I guess they were off of my route. So I don't know why they took them off or if they just, the customer canceled. So I had to take them back to the Amazon station, you know, because like when you can't deliver them, you just don't keep them, like you have to give them back. So they have like a card out there where you just like put packages that you couldn't deliver. You just put them in there. So yeah, I'm finally, you know, going home, and it's already almost 11 o'clock, 10:54. So I was out today from 2 o'clock to 10:54. So almost 9 hours literally. And today has been the longest day since I've been doing this, but hopefully, you know, I will not get the south side again to downtown. That really messed me up. What? Yeah, that really messed us up, you know, with the downtown and south side. So we'll see what happens, but I'm not going to be doing Amazon Flex until Monday again. So hopefully I will get, you know, closer routes. We'll see what happens.